What's up, everybody? Today we're going to install a set of Lazy Life Highback seats on a Club Car Precedent that has a DoubleTake Max 5 seat kit. This does require some modifications, so we're going to show you guys what needs to be done. In order to get the Highback seat installed, you're going to need a set of DoubleTake seat mounting brackets. These here do not come with the Lazy Life seat. They're an add-on item. These brackets still need to be modified. We're going to need to trim the bracket down. You're going to want to cut these grooves off on both the driver and passenger side bracket. You're also going to have to drill your own hole in the bracket for mounting. I went ahead and scored the brackets here on where we need to drill the holes. I'm going to go ahead and trim this bracket down, drill the holes, and I'll show you guys what that's like. In order to cut the plate, I'm using a Dremel tool, and I'm using a set of clamps. I clamp the plate right to the bench. It's nice and secure. It's not going to go anywhere when I start cutting. I put the line here that I'm going to cut along to get these channels off. I'll show you guys what that's like here in a moment. Seat back plates are modified. You're going to want to measure from the uncut side 3 7/8 inches across, and then 1.5 inches down, and that's where you're going to want to drill your hole. I used a 1/4 inch drill bit. I got one of the brackets installed. I wanted to show you guys what this looked like before I went ahead and put the other side on and then put the Highbacks themselves on. So you'll use the mounting holes that say CCP for Club Car Precedent on both top and bottom. Another modification you're going to have to do with these Highbacks on a Club Car Precedent is widen this hook mount. So if you don't widen this hook mount, you're going to find that one side is going to sit on the outside post, and then the other side, it will sit on the inside post. So now that I've widened these hooking plates up on either side, I'm able to have both of these sit on the inside post, and now the seat is a little more even on the cart itself. All right, Highbacks are fully installed. Brackets are really tight. The whole cart moves here when you go to shake the seats from those Highbacks. The bracket works really well once you get it modified, and these seats are beautiful. Lazy Life makes some high quality seats, well worth the little extra work to get these installed. Now for the seat bottom, there'll be no modifications. You'll use the factory hip restraint. You'll use the factory seat hinge. All that will bolt up seamlessly. It's only the Highbacks here that you'll have to do the modification with. But I hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know if you got any questions.